So, standing in my kitchen, yes, I have kids like most of you checking this out. Tried making this earlier today, shooting it on video. I had a technical difficulty, so we're gonna redo it today. I talked to one of my friends. He's like, hey, where's your video? When's your next video? Well, here it is. Here's what I made earlier today. So I kind of cheated. This is the finished product. This is a high protein egg bake. This is right out of Healthy, Simple, and Tasty. So for those of you looking for meal ideas, meal prep, meal planning, this is more than a recipe book, although there's 154 recipes in the book. It's going to teach you how to make better meal plans. There's a 7-day menu in there. The egg bake, high protein egg bake, super simple, easy. I used 1.5 dozen eggs. Add them to your stainless steel bowls so you can whip them. I added some heavy cream today. That's going to be optional. You can add a little bit of water. Doing so and whipping them is going to make them lighter, make them fluffier, or what have you. I also chopped up and repurposed some sweet red peppers, some sweet Vidalia onions, and then on the bottom of the pan, I rinsed, trimmed up the ends of a sweet potato, and I added that to the bottom of my frying pan. It's a great way to introduce a little bit of carbs using a stainless steel pan. You can add the sweet potatoes or not, totally up to you. If you're looking to do keto or something like that, ditch the sweet potatoes. If you're following Eat by Color or one of the macro plans, go ahead, add the sweet potatoes at the bottom of the pan. The only thing that I did not put out on the counter right now to do this video is you're gonna need to introduce some fat to the frying pan. You can use butter, just so your food doesn't stick. You use a stick of butter, coat the pan, use it like a magic eraser, rub the pan. Or you can use your favorite non-stick cooking spray. Again, easy to tailor to fit your macro plan, your Eat by Color. Keto, you can take carbs out, you can put them in by adding the sweet potato. You can increase the fat content by using butter instead of your cooking spray. You can take the fat down by taking the egg yolks out and making it with egg whites only. Again, this is what you get, and this is, baked at 380 for 35-40 minutes. Ovens are going to vary, but the bottom line is this is easy to make. This is going to give us leftovers that we can repurpose for both breakfast and dinner for the next couple of days. We did this at home in our kitchen. Just like your kitchen, you can do it too. If you're looking for great recipes, meal planning, and prep ideas, check out Healthy, Simple, and Tasty. After the video is published on the page, after it's live, I will share a link where you can get a copy yourself. Thanks for checking us out.